Okay, go.
Get it. I'm sorry. Yeah, there he goes. He's gonna try. He's not for sure. He's like,
He's like, I don't know if I want to put this in my mouth or not.
the best dog toy ever.
It's one way to wear him out.
Oh yeah, Chance was so tired yesterday. Oh, he cried.
Oh, where'd he go?
Under the table.
Okay, well, that way.
He's gonna try and put it in his mouth here in a second, and when he does, when you shake it, it's gonna be hilarious.
Yeah.
Where'd it go?
It's sitting over there behind the coffee table. Let's see if the Ron's can navigate itself out of there.
He's attempting. Get it? It's ninja mode.
What's that do?
It just stops
It just stops it?
And turns off the light.
Get it.
Get it, put it in your mouth. I want to shake it so bad. It's gonna
That's what it is.
He's like, I don't know about this. If I should put this in my mouth or not. He's more scared of it than Chance. Chance just attacked it. Get it?
Get the ball. Get it. Get the ball.
He's like, I don't know. He just touches it.
If you just bend down and open your mouth on it, it will go into it. No.
He's trying. He just doesn't know.
Oh,
He kicked it. It's just on that.
Oh, okay.
Whoa, do not attack my foot. Get it now.